This is OnePlus Nord wear earphones and it's just launched in India. The earphone has magnetic magic, water and dust resistance and a 9.2mm dynamic driver, which is a big deal. But there's one catch, and we'll talk about that in the latter part of this video. If your smartphone still has a headphone jack or somehow you want to wear earphones in 2022, this is one of the best earphones that money can buy for its price. The earphone is priced at 800 rupees in India, which is roughly $10 US, and I think you're getting really good value for that price. Especially considering in some cases how it sounds even better some neckbands or TWS ranging between double its price. First things first, the unboxing experience is great. In the backside you get the instruction manual, which is surprisingly thick considering it's just an earphone. In the front side you of course get the nicely presented earphones and a few extra air tips as well. Oh yes, the air tips comes with magnetic mechanism, which we generally get to see in neckbands only. The design is borrowed from OnePlus Bullet Wireless G, which is a fairly expensive neckband, so no question about the quality. And the magnetic mechanism is not just for show. It doubles as a music control like you get in neckbands. If you stick them together, it'll pause the music. If you unclip them, the music will play again. Pretty awesome, right? And because of this magnetic mechanism, it may help to keep the earphones less prone to get twisted inside bags and pockets. Now let's get to the business. The thing that impressed me the most is actually the build quality. The wires are covered with fabric and it looks super durable. There are 3 buttons and they are satisfyingly clicky. You have the volume rocker of course, and with the middle button you can also control the music. The button can also be used to answer or reject calls, and triple press on it will trigger your Google Assistant. The buds being lightweight enough, it is very comfortable to wear for a longer period of time. But the only thing that bothered me was that the area to hold the jack seemed a little smaller to me, and it's slippery as well. Now that the jack fits tightly inside of my phone, and pulling it out with the wear doesn't give me confidence. This one little thing may reduce the durability in the long run. If the holding area wasn't slippery enough or a little bit bigger, I would have been much happier. But overall the build quality is solid and I don't have much to complain. So what about the sound? The sound is great, and this is where the dynamic 9.2mm driver comes into play. Dynamic drivers helps the sound quality in many ways, but in simple terms, the bigger the driver, the better the sound quality. And 9.2mm is fairly big as a driver, as most of the earphones use 6mm ones. The sound has quite a bit of bass and it becomes even clearer if you tweak your equalizer a little bit. And with a flat equalizer, you won't be able to play this with full volume. It's that loud. And I found out that the sound is way crispier than the Realme Buds 2 Neo, which is a neckband, and a few other TWS in this price segment. Now obviously we can't compare wireless stuffs to wired headphones, but just for the sake of comparison, I thought I should just let you know. So overall, I'm very happy with the sound. Obviously this earphone has a microphone, and the audio you're listening right now is coming straight from the microphone of this earphone, so do let me know what you think. I have talked with a few people with this earphone and no one really complained about the quality. Also, the earphones come with IPX4 water and sweat resistance, so that's a big plus. But it's clearly stated that IPX4 water and dust resistance certification is only for the earbuds. Water and dust resistance may reduce as the device ages, and liquid and dust damage are not covered under warranty. So you're supposed to avoid using this product in humid environments. Basically, don't drop your earphone into water just because it has an IP rating. So overall, the Nord earphone ticks all the boxes at 800 rupees. But the catch is the Realme Buds 2 offer a higher 11.2mm bass booster driver at 600 rupees. So the extra functionalities may come short when it comes to the sound quality preference that matters the most. Like if you want some extra bass, the Realme Buds 2 might just be a better option. So if you want me to compare them side by side, please do let me know in the comment section. And I always run some giveaways in my channel, so subscribe to enter it. And as always, thanks a lot for watching. Asha kori abaro dekha hobe. Oh!